Membership and coaching options from urlaw.org. First of all, we have our free membership, which you can go to urlaw.org/join to learn about our different membership levels. Our free membership basically gives you access to some kind of a general variety of videos and audios that we have available to the general public. We have many ebooks, several documents there, an occasional invitation to training events that we put on, and you get to interact with others dealing with legal issues. We have a lot of resources available to you as a free member. Then you have the option of joining as a premium member, which of course you start off as a free member. You can always upgrade to premium membership. Again, it's at urlaw.org/join. There we offer quite a bit more. We have weekly training and web meetings that we do, literally hundreds of hours of video and audio content available for download or viewing online. We have courses on syntax and word power that we call it, arbitration, due process, traffic issues, dealing with loans, void judgments, civil issues, criminal topics, and a whole lot more. Way more than I can cover here. You can go to the join page to learn more. We also have ebooks and hundreds of documents. We have exclusive invitations to certain training events that we hold. We have sometimes third-party events that we put on online and live, so you can learn about those. You'll get a chance to interact with others through our chat messaging groups and so forth. We have forums, and we, by the way, on our messaging system as well as our email system, we do answer our emails. We try to answer questions via the chat groups that we put on. And of course, there's opportunities there to network with others, perhaps in your area, who are dealing with issues. You want to get together and learn more from one another. So that's one of the benefits of being a premium member. And you have the choice of monthly or annual options there. Plus, we have some package options, which I'll tell you about next. But really, the annual cost for the premium membership is less than you would spend with 1 hour with an attorney, which probably would not educate you very much, but you'll get a lifetime of self-help legal education for being a member for at least 1 year. Now we have some coaching or packaging options. One of the coaching options, one of our most popular ones, is for criminal case support. Now again, we're not lawyers, we don't give legal advice, but we can assist you in a very unique process that does get criminal cases shut down as long as you didn't endanger or damage somebody in what you did. And even endangering them is an issue, but if you're really kind of just more of a paper victim, that program is an excellent way to shut down those kinds of cases for a fraction of the cost of what it would cost you to hire attorneys to do it. And in fact, you may even use free attorneys to get some of the service done. But with our unique way of approaching it, you can get a case slam dunked, as we call it, and shut down in a very unique way, which other methods such as, the sovereign citizen methods or patriot methods, those kinds of things typically fail. This can work very, very well. So go to our website, urlaw.org/slam dunk to get information on that. Then we have our syntax, grammar, word power support program, and that's at /syntax. Now what that system does is it shows you how to syntax and grammar check any legal document sent to you. This is a very powerful technique. Rather than trying to argue with their statutes and their codes, which are not even meant to be understood, you learn how to break down the grammatical issues that come up in those documents. And if there's a grammatical issue on a legal document, folks, it's not a contract. And that's a way you can approach and attack the situation. They're attacking you with paper, literally trying to kill you with 1,000 paper cuts. So when you learn how to syntax, you can break down the document, ask them for definitions. If they don't provide the definitions, you don't go forward. So if you're under a legal attack of some kind, this can deal with all kinds of situations once you get the basic understanding of it. And by the way, the Syntax Word Power course is included with our premium membership. What we do here is we also offer a done-for-you support to go through and syntax your documents for you to accelerate your learning curve. And so that's an option that's available at our /syntax link. Then we have our status update coaching. Now that's where you're going to really get a clear definition of your status with the Department of State or the State Department of the United States. And you're going to deal with the passport, Social Security, your driver's license records. Get those records corrected with a correct status that can get recognized in the system. Now, a lot of people are out there flying around trying to just claim that they're this and claim that they're that, and that means nothing to the legal system. But when you get actual recognition from the Department of State, that does mean something. So that's a package, a coaching package that's separate and optional. And just go to our /join link to learn more about that. Then a lot of our members get what's called a self-supported ministry set up. And that's at /ministry. Now what that is a self-supported ministry is an entity you can create to operate under to fulfill your life's mission. Everyone has a mission. God's given us all a mission in life to go out there and help our brothers. You're actually doing it whether you realize it or not. This helps you get a focus on that mission, but also it can be a great way to manage your affairs. You'll get your own tax ID number for operating the entity. And there's many, many benefits you can learn about at /ministry. But we highly recommend you look at possibly doing that. And again, it's at a fraction of the cost of setting up, for example, a nonprofit organization. And really, in our opinion, more effective. It is not there to give you a tax trick or a tax benefit, so to speak, or to hide assets, but it can hold assets. And it can do some things that might benefit you, but you have to learn the law yourself, but we give you the direction on how to do that so you know how to operate in a very simplified way where you're essentially not necessarily doing everything under your name and the Social Security number. It's not, again, to hide anything. It's to give you an official way to go out there and deliver your purpose ministry to others. And it's a really unique way to deal with many, many issues. Next, we have package options. And again, you can find out most of those at urlaw.org/join. And if you just want to get the SSM ministry papers set up, just go to that link /ministry and you can get the details and pricing information for that support and those document preparations that are necessary. Number 2, we have our package which includes the SSM ministry setup, plus the status package where you can get the recognition of the status update in all the systems via the Department of State. Plus, with that package, we include an annual premium membership, prepaid, so you don't have to pay it monthly. And it's a good value. It's at a fraction of the cost of getting all those things separately. So at our join link, you can get all that information. Or if you don't want the SSM ministry, which we highly recommend for most folks, just get the status update package plus the bonus annual premium membership. So that costs a little bit less. You can always buy the SSM later and get those documents done, but it's literally at twice the price. But anyway, we give you some package options you can go with. They're all available when you go to our join page. You'll see the links there that you can pop up and get the pricing and current offerings because they may be subject to change. And also keep in mind with some of our coaching options up above here, like Slam Dunk, Syntax Grammar, Status Packaging, there are annual premium memberships also offered in some of those coaching packages. So you can either do a coaching program if you need specific coaching, or you can simply join under one of our packages that you see listed on the website. Again, all this information is more broken down on the website. You can decide what's right for you and start there. So all you have to do now is go to urlaw.org/join. Join us at whatever level is comfortable for you. Then you can always upgrade to some of the coaching options if you feel one is better for you. And that's basically it for this video. So just come and check us out at urlaw.org. We're not here to help you get away with anything. We're here to help enlighten you, empower you with knowledge, because the Bible says we perish for our lack of knowledge, not the lack of a good lawyer. And, even if you do have a lawyer in a situation you're dealing with, you'll be more effective with them with the things that we teach you to do. So come over to UR Law and check us out.